Hi, I'm Rena, an employee here at FabFitFun, and I'm gonna talk to you today about 5 products from our winter edit sale that are gonna help you start off the year with a clean slate. In case you don't already know, the winter edit sale is an exclusive sale just for FabFitFun members that has products for up to 70% off. This sale is only available to FabFitFun members, so make sure you sign up right here. Select members can shop the winter edit sale from December 26th to January 1st, and all members can shop the sale from January 3rd to January 12th. All the products that I'm talking about today are linked in the description below, so make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to FabFitFun's YouTube channel. So let's get right into it. The first product we're gonna talk about is the Shot X Post-Drink Liver Care. The coolest thing about this product is that it's infused with turmeric, which I recently learned was turmeric, not turmeric, as most people say. Everyone knows turmeric is an anti-inflammatory, so when you've maybe had a little bit too much to drink on New Year's Day, you can go ahead, take one of these shots, and just rest and recover. I personally also love to mix these with a little bit of I don't know, tequila, vodka. I think you can rest and recover while you're having fun. Take 1 Shot X, mix it with 1 shot of tequila or mezcal, squeeze a little bit of lime, put in some ice, shake, 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 have a cocktail. Next up, we have the Cuccio Somatology Yoga at Home Wellness Retreat Set. Whoa, this is the gift that never stops giving. So let's get started. The Yogahhh Post-Practice and Fitness Soak Ritual. For those of you that are just kicking off the new year with a new fitness routine, you will want to do a post-workout soak, and that is going to help you get rid of that lactic acid and get right back in it the next day, guys. Then we have the Cuccio Somatology Yoga Elixir Calming Spray. Whether or not you do yoga, this is the most amazing product because you can keep it in your car, you can keep it in your makeup bag, and geez, you just spritz. It's just like, who doesn't want to be calm? For those of you that are moms that have kids in the car and maybe run carpool, you can also just keep it in your car and spritz your kids. Oh my God, I cracked myself up. Okay, next we have the Somatology Balancing Lotion. Another perfect product, even if you don't do yoga, to keep in your car, because again, who doesn't want to feel balanced? I personally drive my car everywhere in Los Angeles, and there are a lot of times where I have to say to myself, don't have road rage. What I should be doing, instead of thinking about having road rage, is putting on a little bit of my balancing lotion and create balance in my life. Next, Yoga Mat Sani Spray Cleanser. Yoga mats do get dirty. Cleaning your yoga mat is absolutely essential, especially when you have those super expensive ones that you can't just get rid of. It's a Sani spray, like again, something that you could probably use to clean up anything. Next, we have the Yogahhh Muscle Balm. Love this yoga. Like that's why I have to say it that way, because it's like Yogahhh. It's a post-practice and fitness restoring ritual. If you aren't someone that works out, your muscles still get sore. Everyone's muscles get sore. Some people's muscles get sore because they're typing all day long. I'm texting and typing, texting and typing, texting and typing. I love using these types of muscle rubs. It's a really relaxing thing to do even before you're getting in bed. Or hey, if you've got a special someone, maybe you should use this on them because again, everyone has sore muscles. The next 2 products in this never-ending super cool kit is the Mat and Equipment Cleansing Wipes. Use them to clean your mat, use them to clean your phone, use them to clean off your kids in carpool. Oh my God, just use them. Next up, we have the Bally Fitness Gliding Cordis and the Marika Smartphone Waist Pack. Let's talk through this one first. These are the ultimate workout at home product. I personally can't do these because I have a very weak core, my Pilates teacher says. But yeah, you basically put them down on the floor, you can set your knees on them, you can set your hands on them, and you just work it out. It's like wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on. Next, we have the Smartphone Waist Pack. Now again, I am someone that hikes. I'm also someone that gets really frustrated when I'm wearing workout clothes that don't have like a little pocket for my keys and my smartphone. And so this waist pack I absolutely love because I have one of those big Apple phones because I have a hard time seeing. This actually would fit my iPhone Plus perfectly, and it would also fit my car keys. It'll also fit a few dog treats for my 2 pups, Olive and Gobi. You know, when you go to Disneyland or an amusement park, maybe traveling to a foreign country, or even just the park, you know how they always tell you that? Keep your cash close to your money, close to your body. Keep your money close to your body. Keep your passport close to your body. This is actually something that would fit perfectly underneath your clothing and actually sit really flat. If you're going on a vacation and maybe you want to work out in your hotel room, and you want to keep your passport and money close to your body, it actually works as a touchpad for your smartphone. So maybe you have an urgent situation, you need to close the deal. You can actually just whip this off your waist, hit accept, get on that phone, close that deal. It's all about efficiency. Woo! What is this next one? Ooh la la! This is the Seed Daily Synbiotic. Everyone needs a good probiotic. Let me repeat myself. Everyone needs a good probiotic. Even my dog takes a probiotic. In your first subscription, you get this 1 bottle, which has a full month. It's a very strong probiotic, so you're gonna start with 1, and then you're gonna build your way up to 2 a day. If you've ever had issues with being regular, this is gonna help you out. So get on it. It also comes with this adorable travel jar. So don't tell me that you don't want to pack your probiotics when you travel or when you're spending the night somewhere far away from home, because you get this cute little vial that tucks right into your purse or your makeup bag and you never miss a beat. And I just love the color, like emerald green. It makes me think of like the Wizard of Oz and Emerald City. Like, who doesn't love the color emerald? The coolest thing about this probiotic is it's gluten-free, allergen-free, nut-free, dairy-free. It's not free, but it's basically pretty much free of everything that would be harmful for you. And also, it's amazing for those of you that are on a ketogenic diet. If you're looking for a great prebiotic, Seed is where you'd like to start. And for my most favorite item of the day, it is the ban.do gym bag in Potpourri. Woo! Potpourri? Potpourri. 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 It's a beautiful print. Look at this gorgeous floral. Who doesn't want to rock this to the gym? Let me just be honest. I work out, but not because I love to work out, because I have to work out. But if I could work out with this gorgeous gym bag, that would make the workout a little less painful. It's got so much space. It could definitely fit a change of clothes, a pair of shoes, my cell phone, my water bottle, a probiotic, a multivitamin, tequila, and just about everything else. It's got one really cool pocket right here. So technically I could put my cell phone and my keys in there, because what's the most irritating thing? Looking for your keys so you can get back in your car and just go home, or maybe to the bar. I don't know, vodka, tequila, and it packs down so super light. If you're a shopper, ladies, like I'm a shopper, then tuck this in your luggage, and then when your husband tells you, or your boyfriend, or your girlfriend, or whatever it may be, that you've bought too much and there's no room for it in any other bag, guess what you do? You pull out your ban.do gym bag and you say, but wait, I have a whole other duffel. I'm definitely that girl that travels with extra bags in my bag, just because I know that the chances of me coming home with extra weights in my bags is high. So I'm gonna need something like this. Or hey, just taking it to the office. So those are FabFitFun's 5 clean slate faves. That's like saying Sally sells seashells by the seashore. I wanna know what you girls are choosing. I can't wait to find out, so make sure that you comment below. I'll see you next season. Happy shopping! Got it. To the 12th? Is that a question? Ah!